Go ahead. Yeah.
As you are told that you also worked as a storekeeper.
Yeah.
So at that time, many people have tried to convince you that you are doing something wrong with your life,
Yes.
yourself, and
Yeah.
you are destroying your career and all.
Yeah.
Even if anyone says we won't get affected, but even your parents were telling you that.
Yeah.
So how did you manage yourself at that place?
Okay. So what happens is, whatever you do in life, in future, whatever it is, to manage your parents, you should have a proper planning with you. Which means, you want to get into doctor. For example, you all want to get into doctor, but your parents want to do engineering. Let's take an example, right? You're all from an engineering family. Our family tradition is engineering. You have to follow engineering and J engineering, right? Right? They are from that point of view, right? So, but you want to be doctor. What you need to do is, to parents, because what happens is when kids are doubtful about their dream, parents will push your dream to them. If you tell him, okay, I have joined this college. After this college, I'm going to get this degree. After this degree, I'm going to go for specialization. After specialization, I'm going to do this. After that, I'm going to do my additional learning. After that, I'm going to go MD. After that, I'm going to do this. This is going to be my salary. These are the job opportunities I have. If I don't get this job, I'm going to do this. If any of this plan, if I don't achieve, I'll go join engineering. But when you tell your father and mother the complete plan, as from this one, and plus put marriage also. This age, I'll get married also. Half the tension is gone. Parents are worried till your marriage only. Right? After that, they are gone their life. Right? So give a marriage date also to them. Okay, this is my plan. All parents will say, go ahead. But when we don't have a clear plan about it, when you are doubtful about your plan, parents are going to push you into a plan and you're forcefully taking it. Right? When you have a clear idea, this is what I'm going to do, this one, these are the alternatives, these are the placements, these are the organization. I'm going to work under this doctor and this doctor is specialized and this is my plan, this organization I'm going to go, written plan, show them, this is my plan. If any of one of the thing I fail, I will join engineering. And they'll try their best to make you fail. That's a different thing. If they're J engineering, right? But you give them a good plan so that they know you're confident. Right? So and then when you show the plan, they will say, oh, my child has grown up. Let her do what she wants to do. Did you get the answer? Okay. See, if you ask me questions, I will talk, or else I'll just get you motivated. See, now so what happens if I'm saying something wrong, which is challenging you, make sure you challenge me also, right? If I'm saying like what she said, you said like this, what about that? So if you think something what I said is not in line with your thought process, challenge it, because I might have something to learn from you also, right? I'm 20 years elder to you, so I'm a little bit old age also, right? You might have something new to tell me also, which I'm not aware of. So I'm also learning from you, you're also learning from you. The new questions you ask me, I'll have new answers. So, more questions?